This yard is fucking crazy right now, bro. This shit look like a madhouse. Let me show y'all real quick. This is where I parked at overnight last night, way in a damn cut, because it was nowhere to park. Absolutely nowhere. Not even for a bobtail. And you know that's bad when you can't find nowhere to park for a bobtail. It's normally not trailers all right up through there, but it is today, honey. This is the trailer that I'm picking up, 7581. But I'm gonna run inside real quick. Look at this shit. This is a fucking madhouse. This is crazy. I'm gonna run inside real quick because I need to brush my mouth. Get the dragging out that thing. 444 555. That's crazy. I didn't even realize we had day cabs. This video was partnered by Mint Mobile. I've been trying to cut down on some of these expenses lately, but it's been so hard. I really want to cut back on some of these monthly bills, but I don't want to jeopardize my lifestyle. I've tried to cut back on things like my subscriptions, Netflix for one, some of these apps that's downloaded on my phone. I need these apps to do my editing, to create these dope videos. I have 2 storage units and I actually want to eliminate that down to 1. Bills, bills, bills. I could truly live without them. But at the end of the day, I am grateful that I do have the means to make sure my bills are paid. But that still doesn't mean I wouldn't mind catching a break every now and then. This is why I am so intrigued by Mint Mobile, who this video is partnership with. Now, as y'all all know, I just added a second line to my business. With Mint Mobile service, I can get high-speed data and unlimited talk and text on the nation's largest 5G network. I can even bring my own phone along with my current phone number and my existing contacts. They also provided me with a eSIM card. I was able to switch over my service without even having to leave the couch. Mint Mobile offers the same fast, reliable, premium wireless as all the other wireless providers. Don't believe me? Let's test it out. Internet speed test. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Now that's fast. While I'm getting down this road, I am able to listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, and I can't tell the difference. So just how hard is it to switch over your service? Big Wireless wants you to think it's hard, but it's not. Switching to Mint is super easy. Thanks to the digital eSIM cards, which most phones now have, you can sign up and activate your phone immediately, right from the comfort of your home. And guess what? If your phone doesn't have a SIM card, Mint Mobile will send you an eSIM card for free. So if you want to save a little money without the sacrifice, check out my link, also linked in the description box below, to get premium wireless service for just $15 a month when you purchase a 3-month plan. And right now, for new customers, Mint Mobile is offering 50% off on their 12-month unlimited plan, but only available for unlimited time only. It's their best deal of the year. Why I got a red tag on it? 7581? It has a red tag on it. Huh, interesting. 7581? See something real quick. Shipping. What's shipping? Wait a minute. I gotta go inside and see what's wrong with this trailer. Maintenance required. Okay. I gotta go inside the shop and see what's going on with this trailer. What the shop guy is having me do is connect to the trailer to see, because all it got is something about something chipping. So they got me connecting to it just to make sure, just to see what's wrong with it, see if it moves, I guess. It's type nip out that thing today. Good morning. I'm good. You want me to move it?
Yeah, just go forward a little bit.
All right.
It's fine.
Okay, you sure? You sure?
Yeah, the thing you ride over generated.
Okay. What's the chipping thing? What's that?
Chunks coming off.
Chunks of what?
Tight.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Thanks. All right. The man says we're fine, so I'm gonna take his word for it. I said this multiple times. I guess I gotta keep saying the shit. If you click on one of my videos and you hear a curse word and it is not aligned with your little Holy Spirit, click the fuck off. It's just that simple. I'm not in the business of people pleasing. I curse. Okay? I have a potty mouth. That's who the fuck I am. Okay? If you watch a video and you hear one curse word, don't stick around and watch it, the whole thing, and be a weirdo. Go out your way to watch the whole motherfucking thing. Then get under my comment section and get to complaining like a fucking weirdo. I told you from jump I have a potty mouth. I guess I have to start putting that in the beginning of my videos again as a disclaimer. Y'all motherfuckers are too entitled, bro. This my channel. I'll run this motherfucker how I want to run it. Period. Okay, I felt like I just caught a flat real quick. I had to go back there and double check to make sure that I didn't catch a flat tire. Sound like something just was hissing, but